in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County in central Mississippi until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Canton, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Canton and Gluckstadt around 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National Weather